What's up, everyone? Welcome to this lightning-fast guide on automated trading for complete beginners. In under 3 minutes, you'll learn what automated trading is, why it's awesome, and how to set up your own trading bot. No coding PhD required. Ready? Let's go. Automated trading means your computer, your trading robot, buys and sells for you based on preset rules. Instead of staring at charts all day, your bot acts on logic. For example, buy when the 10-day moving average crosses above the 50-day moving average, sell when it drops below. Bots never sleep, never panic, and can monitor multiple markets, stocks, forex, crypto, around the clock. That's power! Why bother? First, while you're sleeping, your bot hunts for profit opportunities. Second, it makes decisions in milliseconds. No human can match that speed. Third, once your strategy works, you can scale up, add more funds, run additional bots, or trade different assets. Of course, bots aren't magical. They need solid rules and constant checks to avoid big losses. But nail your setup, and you've got a 24/7 money-making sidekick. Here's how to get started in 7 quick steps. 1. Pick your platform or broker. Choose one with an API that supports bots. For Forex, MetaTrader 4 or 5 is huge. For stocks and options, Interactive Brokers is reliable. For crypto, Binance or Coinbase Pro work great. Check fees, execution speed, and whether they accept clients from your country. Create a simple strategy. Beginners, start with a moving average crossover. Buy when the short-term average crosses above the long-term average. Sell when it crosses back below. Write clear rules, for example. Buy when 10-day moving average is greater than 50-day moving average by 0.5%. Sell when below. Keep it simple. Complexity comes later. Backtest on historical data. Get a few years of past price data for your asset. Load it into a backtesting tool. Many brokers have built-in options, or you can use Python libraries like Backtrader. Check total returns, max drawdown, and win rate. If your strategy tanked historically, tweak those rules until you see smooth, reasonable gains. Code or configure your bot. If you know Python, use libraries like CCXT for crypto or the Interactive Brokers API for stocks. If not, try no-code tools like TradingView's PineScript or a visual bot builder. Your code should fetch live data, calculate indicators, and place trades. Don't forget error handling and safety stops. Bots can break with network hiccups or unexpected market moves. Now let's move on to demo testing in a paper account. First, run your bot with fake money. Let it trade for a week or two, and keep an eye out for any weird behavior, like duplicate orders, missed signals, or strange slippage. Make sure to tweak it as needed until it behaves just like you expect. Go live with caution. Fund your account with an amount you're okay losing. Start small, risk only 1 to 2% of your capital per trade. Monitor live trades closely for a few days. Check that execution, slippage, and performance match your demo tests. If things look good, you can gradually increase funds. Monitor, adjust, and scale. Automated trading isn't set it and forget it. Check your bot's performance daily. Profit, loss, drawdown, and win rate. Markets change, so tweak parameters or update your strategy if returns slide. When you're confident, allocate more capital or launch additional bots. Always stick to strict risk limits. Final tips. Keep emotions out. Trust the bot's rules. Secure your API keys, no withdrawals. Watch fees and taxes, they can eat into profits. And most importantly, keep learning. Follow trading forums, read blogs, and experiment with new strategies. That's it. Your fun, fast roadmap to launching a 24/7 trading bot. Good luck and happy trading!